sebo nabanyabo abariyo no batureba kandi muri kuturukiriza igishaha amazina nimbwa teka magafa Louis Rukamba MP Wigara West kandi omwe abirare candidate antebe yo bwa city mayor bwa Mbarara City obubahereze kwandikika ebaruha eyinta katungireho na kope kusheje saha Rukamba bamuyama ebaruha ngire bira social media erukoreka okuba base kwihamu Rukamba kandi kinta kuhamye ngo hariho umuntu abasize kufojinga ekintu echo yakiteka amukutu na umukono gwa byabakama kuko kusayininga naguguruho erna headed paper echo kumanyisa ngo eje baruha nerigira kimwe omu electoral commission nabwo echo niza kushoboraho abanyambara n'abahagizi banje nangwa naba batakumpagira babase kumanya ebintu ko base kutambura kutwamazire kwehandikisa twamara kuyandikisa batwereza ngo aturuba candidate ombwire buce bija bahandika petition yabirimwe mu Mrs Murari erimu bakacebezi ba Jovia nkunu bajangu Rukamba tumutuze wambara nabwo icyo nibashaba bamwihemu icyo mutano electoral commission kanyeta kuza kugamba binkwasire ombaro hatubarangambire nangwa neki nakubasa kugenda bakampandikira ngo ina petition ingire hina handikire nshime kuza ukwehoza hatari munanshonga eyinkuza kwehozaho eyibaragambe konka nanye nko mugezi nagenda nyine ne baruha ya chairman LC1 wa Nyakabungo ahinkutura erukore ko bwire obunamaraha kundi yo muturage kandi aha nakwanje kubahereza koreka ayiba atandikire bakahoza bari abakoreka ebaresire nababuza bangambira abampa babire babangambira baroya babo kandi n'umushango banyoreka ngo tindi ordinary resident nabasakuya yo baruha yabenerwa wa chairperson wanje Nyakabungo nyine nana ebyabe bitashime kubane bitwarwa ibyo koreka ngo aha nakwanje papura nkendagana ibi nabasize kubahereza bakangira ngo baza kungarakamu nari ndobwire go kungarakamu obutwire okurenga mwezi konka nargaho nahuragabire ngargo ko mukordo abamwe aba commissioners bari kugira ngo esimu zikababere esimu kubatera esimu babateka pressure Rukamba mu mwihemu n'ubuhako bataruho enshonga yo kumwihamu kuye nayenda azo mukoti ahababe konkito tukumwendamu aba banta bakitandikire tubakunyenda na Janet Kataha mu 7 ngo na wakatere simu kintine bwino enshonga zimwe ziyabire nagambira abantu no kujya ngo Rukamba akagamba enshonga z'abashomesa kandi yagamba ari first lady ariko umujyango na scientist nabwo cyo tashime kuba nashashurwa umushara muhango neshonga nyingi barete enshonga kunabe nindembera enshonga zo mwani kuntanguhi manyeshonga za pineti enshonga za attack sugar nyunkanta kumango bunabe ni ntensa arengo rwihanga hinabunabe ni ndo batabigere abakine mu interest mbwenu karubata abantu bingi nabo bashasha nabo cyo bine kunyubura nabwo echo bagaruka bagira ngo enteke ensharaho yabe takabasa kushohora kuyaho bamara kwandika ba MP abo kuba Rukamba nabamutina ngo bahe kubahirize kwenshareje mangu nkani mbasa kwehindura omuhini nkempango mbagire ngo hati nijabwa MP abo kwa nabanga capacity njine kandi abantu na rukundo ebirero so bagira ngo mutegereze izobere ba MP baramare kubahandika musindike cyandike echo Rukamba naza kubatahine entebe yakwasa kugira ngo yayesimbaho mu myaka 5 so abarebere baruha eyindebere ko kumugirebera social media abo kuba niboreka ngo bahireho kope Rukamba eyintini because banyore ko muntu koha mateka omuntu no basa kumuhereze bara koreka ngo yaje receiving waje mutwara akakunologinga nanga you serve the person electronically no basa kugisindika a email no basa kugisindika WhatsApp ogiruti nanga nkamusavinga tarwo ariye byo byona ayibansabigire ikiparo so hati nko kwirinda kuja kubashobora bindebero mbaroha byaba kama nayorekera kimwe kugira ngo nyoko banyesire bagira ngo umuntu nka bagira ngo nyishobore nko mutuze wango konjeru yes ngo mbaguta actually timbaguta ngo mutuze wambaguta nyishoboreho ngo kiraremirwe ko ishobora bantu baruhanga hati ningo kuwa kugira ngo rukamba yishoboreho ngo ryo w'Israeli kandi ntakazagana y'Israeli ntakumanye bya Israeli hati wagira ngo nyishoboreho ko muntu o wambaguta nyurukamba ryo wanyakabungu nondanye shoboreho nda nondanye behere ngo ryo mutuze wambaguta nonda nkoriki so nyowe barahi nabahire no kweshobora keri eya nyakabungo kandaha nta kwa rukamba kwa kuba hino ndisha rukakere iminga nango kagira ati nimpangisa rukamba nawo mugende murete muhereze akazindaro abase kurumiriza atahantu ta kwa rukamba nangwa tubundi ahafundo mwaka gumwe nyuma hagiro warugayo agire ngo ahanako yahakere iminga oba mu cyapa agire munako ye nawo tumurebe kumushija nanga ko mukazi so ekindi ebara yabo warebaho nibajyangu tubarashangire umurimba guta umbaguta village then parish ya Kamukuzi Ruharo omusite ekinde kiba kweta city twine mwe kinde kiba kweta village twine mwe kinde kitweta parish twine musero twine mungodi hateje baroha neshanda nkai Paulo muhikirire eyabire nahandikira abakorinto konka bakenda ngo bagishomere yitwe abanyankori kandi tari yito hati niyeje baroha iba basi kwata kuteka urukamba evagamba byona apart from mugamba ngo ngwateka magafa ebindi byona tibukwata gini nabo cyo niza kushoborensi nabahagize banje ngo amazima garugo ebaraheri yo kungirebere rukamba bamwihire omukaruru anshonga eze chimpatira ezita kucengeko ebatiremu ago kwenda kukusa ebyabo nabwo cyo tinyine nshonga nabo obushobozi babwine bakozeje bakozere kiba kubasa konka umutwe gwanje nebiteka teko byanje tino kubasize kuhindukaho either abwambara nanga bwihanga ereri emyaka 5 n'ikintu cye munonga wano ndakumanya ngu emyezi ne yirukango pangisenjo ko kuba wagizamo ohura landlord natera kodi ngo kwezi kwako nango kayanda no kwebera 28 tukahwire kandi urukuma ngo kwa kabiri no kwa 28 nabo cyo eje myaka 5 ibakize ngu rukamba twakuyihamu umuchimpatira nakantu kakimunonga neza kwa nangwa bampurre kuchiro kuba kumpurra ejesha either bampurra ntebeji oba bampurra ndijo oba bampurra ndijo konkano baza kumpurra abo kuba bongire kunyiza abahagize barukamba enserionere batehunami ebimbireho hihi nibyeshaniriza nemurebere bibiro mu rubukedi umuntu yaza kwehandikisa netwakwiriya yabora yabanza amazina gazo munango mu register ngugargamu omu computer hagurukamu ago muntu hati ngo garukamba omukaye NRM bakagira ngo nibenda kunyoreke cyo kitabe cyo kuhandika mu cyonga omu computer ndumu ngo ibyo tubakubigenderaho hati tohurire barheje bahandikire byabakama na hakana urukamba tumutezi wa karuru omuru rwisel takwasa kuchakana kandi ikindi nani nturanya kabungo tari hitekera kujya ngo kuturanya kabungo akaruru ino katera nyakabungo no katero musite nimbase kurugan katere na harwa tinyenyenka n'abantu abasite konka oryo musite so basebona banyabo ninyenda kwebaza bahagise baye kandi mbagambira ngo rukamba tinkuza kuza mukoti abo kuba nyine option yo kujya ngo nazo mukoti naza kweterera induru konka tinkuza omukoti byaba kama arya rengo ryo muramuzo mukuru justice byabakamo bana babasa kumukompromisinga no mutwegweye no kumanya kweyi hati ngambara kote yindaze kuzamu omuramuzi arumu abaramuza babire barya bamani bakwemarira ba Kenneth Kakuru bakafu so hati ababandi tine bunkumanya bunkuza kushangayo ngo babase kurikiriza ebigambo bya Rukamba bamuhe obwenkanya oburugwe nabo cyo tinkuza mukoti basebona abanyabo abakozi rebe muri kumangu mwakunshara mu kugira ngo bundi Rukamba kaze mukoti ashishe gwire ashishe sente ninza kurinde myaka gumwe 2 3 4 5 kanimpamya egisite tine kirabe cyayiyongirweho okuyaho okongera kujunda no kusisikara kununkira abantu icyo ni kigambira mwana mwenda to betting so basebona abanyabo ni nyenda kubebaza mwe bare kwagira omurundo gurakorateho nsigize kweta abahagize banje bona na timu ya higuru kubasa kureba ngo next move neza kuberiye twakwagiroha omukaruka president twakwagiroha omukaruka ba MP twakwagiroha akaruka intebe ya LC 3 ba meyabo bona na ba councillors bona abo kubanyine kwebuza abantu banje bakagira icyo basharamu tukakororokanga tukagira icyo twikirizana nabwo cyeje shati ngo no muntarge yayebehere aturukamba yagira ngo mwena mu mpagiri abakiryamanigi ariko kurunda amashanyarazi ganje igisha abahagize banje nibo bashare mbakajya ngo ite 3 phase yitu katugikirize tugiteke ariye omuntu ogu kandi babase kurra kafaya nebye bigambo bingi nimbebaza shana harihe buza wagira ngo tinko basa kujya ngo nashemerewe aho umuntu nanakubiye abo kubeke kintu tukitire mu rukundo twateka mu bwire twateka mu na sente so ebyo byona wamara kubiferwa kandi nkijanka pretendinga nti Rukamba tinyine nshonga yona nimpura ndije nimpura matwenje nimpura munyijimbo masimagarahanga nimba nimbi nimpura kushasha abo kuba Uganda tukwe nakubire nitekateka ngo eshime kuba netambura amusinje ubwo muntu kujya nkankwitara cara nkende ukabiro by'umusinje kujya ngo na kwata Rukamba namuteka abantu misho mutoraneho bashare kuno jango ejindo yoni ngamba speech ngumazire kugwa karuru aho nkabire nimba ni nyebaza buri muntu wena nabunye simbire nabo konkata vampire mugisha kurebeka ngo bahura Rukamba na rimerata nanga basinje nabo cyo tino nkuza kutagira abanyambara becurri na Yesu akagira ati mureke kuncurra mucurra abana banyu so buri muntu ayecurri aho ko kibakozere tubakikozere Rukamba nka Rukamba bachikozire buri muhagizi wa Rukamba bachikozire omunya Uganda bachikozire omunyambara nabwo cyo buri muntu akirebe nkoko akukireba nkoko kushashi war kwagira hati we yeshanirize Rukamba
no takatakano baba inyuma y'ikintu cyimpa okuremesa bukwawe
ningire je mbozi najigambaje abo kuwa petition ingire akabari sezi aine bakacebezi hari mujovia ubagambire ubuntine bwino kandi bagize ngo abe natera amasumu ni Janet Kataha Museveni bwashesha bwira ugoyo bwino tinjini konka abungambire nabo bakozira iki bacigambire nabo cyo nibaba bantu tarondije umuntu wo kugira ngo akiri behind nanga na President Museveni kuyacurire konko bundi takamanyira amashanyarazi gunyine konka tahanagama yabite nazagahura icyo kubanza cyabyona burije twire turebe papurebe kuza social media konka byamara kuzaho bitine muhoho ekitongore kikuvunanyizibwa no buyakubari yo muntu they come and put a disclaimer nebargayo mangu bagira ngo fake achandike okurugire cyandike cyashohora ekineki ece cyandiko tuce electoral commission ayibwa assessera tinkarebere ebara yona erukurwo mu electoral commission erukwehakana ijebaro nico kugira ngo ekiri nangwana na isi registra wanje wambara nawe baro kinkwamya ngo agirebere no kumwamwebuzaho nuwe yakubara yo muntu okutera Kampala kabaja twonga ka rebaro hegeri yo netambura ni kiro kitwara munaku bakargaye bakagira ngo hapana icyo kintu kiri fake mbwe no gwita kakigambe kandi ba mafia bakama bihangere nubo bajebembize no bagitambuze kibakoze basebona abanyabona cyo kugira ngo je baruha ekire kandi timfuteka teka kugira ngo hinekirije kuba kiri nkitana nayo kucere nkitana nacyo mbe n'umumanyangu niko kuba kugira ngo Yesu yagarikegesha kandi ukamureba.
Are you still satisfied with NRM? Baumba NRM leaders they are fighting you. Turebere kinyi no kuvuga are you still a member of NRM but by the kuno kingawo. Are you still satisfied with NRM?
Echo kwanza chabiona of course no byakuba family kigumire kushanga ngo buri mwana we no mu family naba nahurra ebiyo mu family byonane bitamburaje. So NRM tinga kugira ngo ndi satisfied nange byo gukora byona echo kubanza ninde bayitwa atandikire nabwo babumpereza mazimana babanshumbusa kuri girebe byampikaho nimbasa kugira iki nabasa gukora nkore nk'ikishayi cya volleyball kiteke mu sente nkidonatingire abanyambara ngire ntumuragumana umuntu jujukiraho ebiro byona konkanyo hasigara ndiyo wa NRM kandi President Museveni arigiro yabagambira abantu ngo aba independent ngubona kasaka rukeka katafire ngo bona bije nico kwemuriza n'abantu abakuze mu karuruka NRM okashisho bwire na sente cyo nkiyamba cyo wemero kaja President utata no wa independent wena agaruki nawe cyo kimanisa ngo obwiro burkwija abantu baza kwanga kwesimba no mu NRM aho kwa nareba no kushisha obwire nyonyine kabantu ba member ba parliament abo kumanya nkabayitungo Nathan abatarani wijana ka independent takuza mu karuraka akejinji nenkuri we nashitama barindira hariya mwija bavigereza so nkiryo mu kibiri
so nareba
one.
Alright, thank you so much mnyona nyakwise nande bano kuri chamani ninye akatfurira Nelson kandi nakwetera makuru marungi amakuru agampaha nega app iba kweta Pandora Swift. Pandora Swift eji mpaha no je no musimu yawe ozo Play Store oji downloadinga kandi iyo mnywana wanje uri kwempaho ori download oyina majugawe abantu tubari kugamanya downloadinga app eji mpaha zimazima oteke ebishani byamajaga mpaha narishi oyine hotel tuba kujimanya da kwate bishani bya hotel narishi byamajugawe obiteke app eji mpaha ya Pandora Swift na niyo mnyona wanje uri kwempaho ori broker kandi no yenda amajuru bagamanyi telebishani byamajaga mpaho go kwisino pangisa akwisino oranga kandi ugateke app eji mpaha ko kubikwata wabiteka ibishani bimpa wabiteka ari Pandora Swift iyo mnyona wanje wabiteka yo nofuna commission so mnyona wanje tinko uri kwempaho oje nkunindondenju ngati nkugireba ni nda hotel tinkugireba kandi Pandora Swift eriho okurangu yakuheraho buzimazima murembe gumpaha ogwa internet abantu beyambise internet kurango baganyirwamo so otakasigara inyuma ronda Pandora Swift mnywana wanje ori landlord mnywana wanje ori broker narishi umuntu wabutosha ni unosa kwate kishani okikwate kiteke ari Pandora Swift kandi nyoku nkukireba yuwe wakitekayo ofuna commission so Pandora Swift eri hano abwawe kurango yakusiye obuhereza obutari bumwe na bumwe jesige oje kwate ecyamazima tokwija kweyizusya
Orwana ndije ngiye kupangisa hotel ngiye kuraramo reka kubonabona tambura no murembe zahar Pandora Swift booking app oreba maju na hotel nyamurungi omwanya gono gor kwenda kandi ujuke ngo booking anitwe no sharugwa kwa kabeyi na ningo barandroad abina maju go kupangisa na za apartment zahar Pandora Swift ozitekeho no kwa apangisa bagume baruke kuzireba downloading app page ningo zahar www.pandoraswift.com ningo teresmo ya 000 ashatu na mukaga nkaga na mshanju ananibiri Pandora Swift booking app ohereze bwangu hize.
I stay in Mbaguta cell. Something I've never claimed in my life that I've ever stayed in Mbaguta. I own a property here at Nyakabungo, where I am right now. And by the time they invited me for the hearing, in their letter, they were not even stating which illegality they were mentioning. The letter was as open as saying you were supposed to come to EC because of the illegality that someone had petitioned, not even mentioning the petitioner. Reaching there, I found that actually it was a combination of people, says Murali, there was Jovia, there was Kachevezi, who are behind it. And they were tasking me to explain myself if I'm a resident of Mbaguta cell. And I told them, I'm not a resident of Mbaguta cell. My cell is Nyakabungo, and I had moved with a letter from, an introductory letter from my chairperson, LC1. So they told me they were going to give me a verdict shortly, of which shortly I thought it would take even 2-3 days. But insiders kept on tipping on me that actually I shouldn't expect it. They had gotten further instructions that they should release the letter immediately when the MPs have been nominated, because they were worried I would even change cards and come for MPship, of which the letter came yesterday, what I saw on social media. I've not received any copy, because in law, you can either serve people physically or you can serve by electronic means, WhatsApp, email, and none of the above I've received. But because since yesterday, we are almost encroaching 24 hours, and EC has not come up to refute that the letter that was circulating is fake. Since they've not come up to disprove that letter, it means it is authentic. So I must go by that. So, first and foremost, I didn't know that while I've been legislating in Parliament, I've stepped on so many people's feet. That is the persecution. You know, I was very vibrant when we were having a coffee bill, and I was opposing it. I was very vibrant when we had in the Committee of Trade and Tourism, we are talking about the Attack Sugar Factory. I was very vibrant when we were talking about this Pineti Hospital in Ruboa. Among other things that people think I've been controversial, but I've been legislating, that is my role. And because now maybe government wants to only the people who cannot even speak and express themselves should be the one to represent this country, it's better. So, because of that, I have been maliciously denominated according to the alleged letter. I want to tell my fellow supporters that I'm very strong. First and foremost, I will not go to court to appeal, because our constitution stipulates that if you're dissatisfied with any decision of the tribunal, you can go and appeal. So I don't want to appeal, because if justice byabakam at the level of a justice, the one people would think is very credible can be influenced and compromised to issue out such a verdict. I don't think I'm going to meet any credible, competent justice in any other courts of judicature in Uganda. The people whom we had, who are very credible as justices, the likes of late Kakuru, Kenneth, are dead. So I don't think I will get justice. I'm only going to wait for 5 years. 5 years is not a lot. And I will repackage myself better than now. They must feel me more than they felt me. And I can come in any position. Let them not take me for granted. I have that capacity. It is very weird and unfortunate if someone at the level of an MP, a legislator, who makes laws, you come and allege and claim that doesn't know the procedure. If someone is to contest at the level of local government, it's very unfortunate and weird. But you've seen even what happened to